What is the ruling on husbands frequently cheating on their wives, being addicted to having affairs, and the wife forgives and he returns over and over again? What to do? You do not have a one-size-fits-all answer. It all depends. If a woman can opt for divorce and have a normal life and have a sustainable source of income that does not require her to beg others, then definitely staying with such a man is not recommended, because such men, first of all, do not fear Allah. Second of all, a woman is afraid that he may catch and transmit to her any disease, STD for example. So for her own safety, she has to refrain from having intimacy with him, because this guy is bad news. But if the woman is poor, or her family are unwilling to take her back, or she's unable to leave him due to financial reasons, due to social reasons, due to any reason, in this case, she has no other alternative but to be patient and to try and remind him of Allah, to threaten him with Allah's punishment that he had placed in this dunya before the punishment in the grave, which is until the day of judgment, before the punishment in hellfire for those who commit this heinous act of adultery. Now, usually what drives a man out of his home is a number of reasons that none of them justify his heinous crime. But usually they would say, we don't have attention, our wives are not taking care of themselves, our wives do not request us, do not demand us, do not show any interest in us, so we look for it somewhere else. And this is a lame excuse and a justification that is worth not even the ink that it was written in. Because the woman can say the same. Does this justify her committing the act of adultery as well? Of course not. So he is sinful. He's committing a major sin without any doubt in it. But if the woman sees that there is a chance and a room for reconciliation, she's advised to take care of herself really well. If she's fat, she has to get her act together. She has to work out, go on a diet, slim up again, so that she would be pleasant for him to see. And not only that, she should exhaust him physically in bed every single night or more, so that he wouldn't be even able to think about committing haram acts, let alone go and have relationships. And maybe with a lot of dua in sujood and asking Allah Azza wa Jal to return him back to her, inshallah, there will be a way out.